Eine Kleine Nachtmusik by Mozart for the cello. First movement. We're going to lift our hand and try to lift the whole arm out, not just the fingers. 3, 4. Lift, lift. Down, down. So let's break it down, how to play that, okay? First of all, it's really good to get your hands pulling all the way out from the cello and not just the fingers. I call these drawbridges. The whole arm is lifting from the elbow to drop that. Second thing is we're going to lift the bow, put it back on the string, and expose the string, and we'll play open D, and then bring back the drawbridge. Set it, up, down, set it. It's a little motor. Now I'm exaggerating that landing. That's more how to do it, okay? Let's do it together. You can do this 4, 1, and then use that first finger to hinge the rest of the hand across. That's way better than something like that. Keep your hands square. Drawbridge. Great, the next part is a down, down. 2 and 3. It's really good to imagine that you've got to separate your second and your third finger anytime you're playing them in music on the cello whatsoever. They want to be like this, and you have to purposefully divide them up. Notice on that one I was not a lot of motion. Keep your fourth finger down after you place it the last time on those 2 ups. Hold the fourth finger. And then use the first finger to bring the rest of the hand across to the A string. Now we just played that D and swap the D second finger. Move the whole thing back to first position. Short, short, short. Same thing, second finger D. Shift back. These are ties. See how it goes across the beat? Let's talk about the shift. The next to last line, we're going to shift to a first finger and stay there. Now a lot of people are scared about fourth position. Fourth position is exactly like first position, but it should be easier because you're not having to hold this salute so high. You're getting closer to a more natural place on your arm, and it's smaller. So it should be easier to play than harder. So don't be scared of it. Play it even simpler. And if that's hard, practice some finger exercises. 1, 3, 4, 3, or 1, 4, 3, 4. At whatever tempo feels good to you. So we're going to go D, shift to an E, F sharp, G, and then all the way back to first position with a 4. And really quick pull-offs. And then this thing over the bar line, this rhythm. Do that one slow. Last time. Good luck.